Hi everyone, I'm Jess from Decoist, and today I'm going to show you how to make this DIY book page rope bowl. Let's get crafting. For this project, you will need a glue gun and glue sticks, a foam brush, a pair of scissors, an X-Acto knife, a book, some Modge Podge, an old bowl, and some jute. I absolutely love upcycle projects. There's nothing more gratifying than taking something you used at one point and turning it into something you'll use for years to come. Let's start by opening our book and cutting out some pages. I like to use an X-Acto knife for this step and press it down nice and firm. Once you've got some pages out, you're going to want to cut these into thirds. This is going to make the entire layering process really easy. Now these don't have to be completely even, and I like to cut the white space off of the bottom. Now we're going to take the book pages and we're going to start Modge Podging them around the top of the bowl. Then we're going to continue to layer them down until we've reached the center. That was so relaxing and it looks so nice. We want to let this dry for a little bit and then we're on to the final step. Flip the bowl over and the final step is to glue our jute. Now I recommend using hot glue gun for this step and begin at the bottom rim and work your way up the top. All right, we're all done. Let's go set this inside. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below letting us know which DIY video you'd like to see next.